Okay guys, so first I want to say I apologize for not being present and uploading the videos, but as you can see, this is definitely a late video here because my son still has on his uniform, and most of you guys know that schools are out for the safety reasons. So we went to some stores. You know, we always going shopping for something, and in this video we'll be going to Sam's and Walmart again to get some more things. But we are back home from this trip, and I just have all of this stuff to put away that I actually should have cleaned up my home before going to the store, but I had no idea we was going to get these other things that we got. So after I did clean up, I started dinner. We had tacos for that night. So this is Saturday morning, and my oldest son is trying to rearrange his room and get it cleaned up because he he cannot go out without taking care of his chores. So while he's doing that, I'm in my youngest son's room, and I am going through his drawers to get everything that he can't wear sorted out so I can donate it or toss it and wash the things that we just purchased for him, his new undies and his t-shirts, which he already had some old t-shirts in his drawer that have not been opened. So I'm going to open those up and get those washed as well. Okay guys, so you know how it is with me. I was called in to work, so here I am just entering for the night shift, and it's crazy because we were so busy that I didn't even film like in between times when I was down, not doing too much of anything, maybe charting. But yeah, I'm only showing you guys when I got there and when I left. Look, y'all, I was able to find this large bottle of avocado oil at Sam's for $8, and I normally pay around $17 for my bottles of avocado oil. Instead of tossing out some old bread, I decided to crumble it up and put it in this bag so I can leave it in my car, so when we go to the park, if I want to feed the ducks, I'll have some bread to feed them. These are some mushrooms that are already cooked, and that way they last longer in the fridge. And I also picked up some more baby Bella mushrooms from Aldi. They were much cheaper there. Y'all know I like seafood, so I picked up these stuffed clams, and I'm going to try them out, and if they are delicious, then I'll continue to buy them. Also, a package just came in. I ordered this Inspire Me home decor item online. It is a really nice ottoman. This is how it came. You have to put it together yourself, which is, not hard to do. It is very soft, and the embellishments, guys, are beautiful. This item here, so I'm going to actually probably order the larger one to put somewhere else, maybe in my office, but I really love this. You see, I told you guys, this is a nice piece of furniture. I love everything that Farrah does. I follow her Instagram page at Inspire Me Home Decor. I'll follow that page. And she also has these marble gold edge coasters that I am thinking that I'm going to purchase, but I really don't have anywhere to place them. But they are so beautiful.
I'm not scared.
I told you.
I was scared a little.
Somebody scared something. Why can't it be? Oh. Yeah, I thought it was because he was fighting.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
Okay, guys, it is the next day, and I don't have much to do today. Just a little tidying up. I'm going to make me some coffee, and then I'm going to get started. Okay, y'all, don't come for me with this outfit on. I had dropped my son off at school, and I ran a few errands, but I came back home and put on these shorts. So, no, I did not go out the house looking like this.
Bye.